It is our proud privilege to felicitate the senior pathologists of Jammu and Kashmir, stalwarts whose lifelong commitment has nurtured medical education in this region. उस्तादों की रहनुमाई से ही शागिर्दों के रास्ते बनते हैं. Today we honor those ustads who shape countless journeys. We request our dignitaries to kindly honor our senior teachers and distinguished pathologists of Jammu and Kashmir.
Dr. A.R. Khan, former professor and head of pathology, GMC Jammu and GMC Srinagar, with over 50 years of expertise in histopathology and cytopathology, and director of Dr. Khan's Diagnostic Lab, a pioneer who established key pathologic services in GMC Jammu and Srinagar, author of multiple FNA texts, and recipient of IAPM Lifetime Achievement Award.
Dr. Ashok Chandra, senior pathologist with over 5 decades of clinical, academic and diagnostic leadership. I request Dr. Alka Raina, daughter of Dr. Ashok Chandra, to kindly receive the honor on his behalf.
So you can sit at the front also, or if you
Dr. Madalsa Bargotra, senior pathologist and former head of pathology GMC Jammu, with over 4 decades of clinical and academic service. She played a key role in securing MCI recognition for the department and has been associated with GMC Srinagar and Jammu since 1971. I request Dr. Rupali Bargotra, Professor, Department of Pathology, GMC Jammu, to kindly come forward and accept the felicitation on her behalf.
And I would like to add here that ma'am has been my guide during MD pathology. Thank you.
छेड़खानी HOD, he played a key role in starting the MD pathology course at ASCOMS Jammu and has served as an expert for ESI paramedical institutions and on MCI inspection panels.
Dr. K.C. Goswami, senior pathologist with 45 years of distinguished experience. He has served at SKIMS Srinagar, GMC Jammu and ASCOMS Jammu. Dr. Goswami has contributed extensively to academics with 22 publications in national and international journals and has held progressive roles from lecturer to professor across premier institutions.
Dr. P. Angmo, retired Associate Professor of Pathology, GMC Jammu, with 20 years of academic and clinical experience, an MBBS, DCP and MD graduate with many publications. She has contributed significantly to teaching and departmental development from 1996 to 2014.
Dr. K.K. Kaul, former professor and head of pathology, GMC Jammu, who led the department during his tenure as head of department and served as an examiner at AIIMS, PGI and SKIMS. An award-winning hematology expert, he is a national faculty member and a key figure in hemophilia care and related publications. Dr. Subhash Bhardwaj, former professor and head of department pathology, GMC Jammu, with 31 years of experience in histopathology, cytology and molecular diagnostics, author of 108 publications and mentor to 37 theses. He pioneered automation, frozen sections and flow cytometry services at GMC Jammu.
Dr. Ruchi Khajuria, Professor Pathology, GMC Jammu, and a long-standing life member of IAC, ISHBT, and IIPM. She has contributed in many national and international journals.
Dr. Vijay Suri, Senior Pathologist with 38 years of service in health and medical education, including 30 years in teaching and 5 years as Professor and Head. He has served at BCSG Government Medical Institute, Srinagar, where he established the Department of Pathology, developed the Pathology Museum, and upgraded the blood bank. Dr. Suri has guided over 18 MD theses and has more than 18 publications to his credit.
Dr. Surinder Atri. Dr. Surinder Atri is presently working as Principal of GMC Kathua and is Professor of Pathology with over 16 years of teaching experience. An alumnus of GMC Jammu and AIIMS New Delhi, he has served as NMC and DNB assessor and has over 25 research publications with multiple national and international presentations.
Professor Azra Shah, former Professor and Head of Pathology at SKIMS Srinagar, with over 3 decades of distinguished academic and administrative service. As Professor Azra Shah is currently traveling and could not join us in person today, may I now request Dr. Deepa Hans, Professor, Department of Pathology, GMC Jammu, to kindly collect the felicitation on her behalf.
Ma'am has sent a special message and I read it out. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Presidents and Secretaries of IIPM and IIPID, distinguished delegates and dear friends, I am deeply honored to receive this recognition from the Organizing Committee of APCON 2025. As I am out of the country, I regret that I am unable to be present with you today. I extend my sincere thanks to Professor Jyotsna Suri and Professor Deepti Mahajan for their warm communication and gracious gesture. I also acknowledge with gratitude my teachers at PGI Chandigarh and my mentors during my WHO fellowship in London, who shaped my professional journey. My association with IIPM spans over decades, and I cherish the academic bonds formed through these years. I wish all delegates meaningful discussions and hope you enjoy the hospitality and beauty of Jammu, the city of temples. Thank you once again.
Dr. Ruby Reshi.
I also request Principal and Dean GMC Jammu, Dr. Ashutosh Gupta sir, to kindly join us on the stage for felicitation of our senior pathologist.
Dr. Ruby Reshi, is immediate ex-principal of GMC Baramulla and former head of pathology, immunohematology and hemophilia center at GMC Srinagar. With over 20 years of experience in histopathology, cytology and hematology, she has over 50 publications and has guided more than 20 postgraduate students.
Dear teachers, आप ही हमारे पथ प्रदर्शक हैं, आप ही हमारे प्रेरणा स्तंभ हैं. Our deepest gratitude to each one of you.